Are you tired of expensive SEO and AI tools eating up your budget? What if you could access unlimited premium tools for a fraction of the cost? Introduction: Group by SEO Tools.store, your one-step solution for the best SEO, AI, and design tools without breaking the bank. Whether you are a content creator, SEO specialist, graphic designer, or digital marketer, we got you covered. So, what exactly is Group by SEO Tools.store? It's a platform where you can access premium SEO and AI tools at a group buy price. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars every month, you can enjoy top-tier software almost for free. From powerful SEO analysis to content generation and graphic design, everything is at your fingertips. Let's see some features of Group by SEO Tools.store. What makes us different? Here is why Group by SEO Tools.store is the best choice for you. First, unlimited access. Use premium tools anytime, anywhere. Budget friendly, get access at just a fraction of the original price. Fast and secure. We ensure smooth, high speed access to all tools. No hidden cost. One affordable subscription covers everything. 24/7 chat support. Got issue? We are here to help always. And the most important and powerful feature of the Group by SEO Tools.store is you have Master Pack and Essential Pack, where you can cover almost every tool for just a fraction of the cost. How to access Group by SEO Tools.store? Getting started is super easy. Just follow these steps. First of all, open your browser and search for Group by SEO Tools.store. After you arrive, click on Sign Up. When you click on Sign Up, you will be redirected to their sign up page. After that, you will see a lot of SEO and AI tools that you are seeing that are just almost free. So what you have to do, you have to choose your product, go down to the details and fill them in: your name, username, Gmail ID, password, etc. After that, you will see two options for payment. First one is Razorpay for India, and another option is PayPal as well from international payments. You will see a lot of tools for in dollar as well, in rupees as well. You can pay in from Binance as well, and you can pay from anywhere, anytime. If you have any problem regarding the payment, you can just go to chat support and they are 24/7 available. Now let's see how to access Group by SEO Tools.store tools. The first one is extension access, the second one is on-click access, and the third one is email access. So first of all, you have to open your dashboard and then you have to click on the tool that you just purchased. Then you have to click here to download extension. Then you have to click here to download. When you download the extension, you just have to click on the right dot and click on extensions, manage extensions, and then you just have to drag and drop your extension just like that. After that, you will see that your extension is working, and if you can't, then you can click on load unpacked and then you can do. Then the other method is email and password access. You have to click on click access and then you have to enter your email and password manually. Now the third access is on time access. For example, if I click on invite of elements, you can see that I don't have to enter any email, I do not have to do anything, I do not have to click on access. I just click on access and the tool starts working. So go to GroupBuySeoTools.store, purchase a plan, do your best, and thank you.